Hello all and welcome. Today we are covering checking in the Endpoint Security Bundle. Checking in the bundle provides you with your client packages and the extensions so you can successfully manage the product. The first thing we're going to do is open up our ePolicy Orchestrator console, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Once logged in, we will click on the menu in the upper left corner and select the Software Manager. Now in the search field, I'd recommend searching for the name of the product or the version. In this case, I'm going to search for 10.6 as that's the current version of ENS that's out. Select McAfee Endpoint Security from the list, and then select CheckIn to the right on the bundle type. Here you're going to see the McAfee EULA, the client package branch in which your packages will get checked into, and then the components that are going to be checked in. Click OK in the bottom right hand corner and this will start the bundle check-in. Once complete, you can verify that the packages and extensions are there by selecting the menu and selecting the master repository. Here you will see the packages. Once again, go into the menu, select extensions, and under Endpoint Security, you will see the extensions. Congratulations, you have successfully checked in the Endpoint Security product using the Software Manager. Thank you all again for taking the time to watch this video, but most importantly, being a part of the McAfee community. Do us a favor and click subscribe below and stay up to date on newly released content.